Hi, I'm Dr. Mario Ajero, professor of piano at Stephen F. Austin State University in Nacogdoches, Texas. Wait a second, I think my voice sounds funny. Hello? You know what it is I have a new microphone, or it's actually a Zoom H4n Handy Recorder that can also be used as an audio USB audio interface on your computer. I have a Mac, and I have it connected through USB, so you could use it as an external USB microphone. However, there was one oversight that I had about matching up the frequencies with your device or your microphone and also the computer. So I wanted to show you how to fix your voice so it doesn't sound like Alvin of the Chipmunks here. All right. So I think I set my USB or my Zoom recorder, audio recorder, to 44,100 hertz. So what you want to do is go into Spotlight and search for audio MIDI setup. You see audio MIDI setup? That will launch this window here, or if it doesn't already, just look for show audio devices. And you want to look for the H4 device. And there's actually two different selections that I have here because the Zoom H4n Handy Recorder has both the condenser mics and also inputs for where you can put in external mics like XLR microphones as well here. The one that you want to change, although it wouldn't hurt to do both of them here. See how there's 0 ins for this one? So that's for any connected microphones, which I don't have any connected microphones on there. But I'm going to go ahead and switch that to the 44,100. Notice there's still no change in my voice yet here. However, the one that has the 2 ins, the second input, that's those 2 condenser mics that I'm pointing at right now. So if I go ahead and select that one and make sure you're, of course, on input, you don't have to worry about changing any of this other stuff. I don't think so. But I'm going to go ahead and change that to 44,100 and see what happens. Hello. And I think my voice is back to its normal adult self here. So that's what you need to do on your Mac if you need to change and you have that funny sound. And hopefully this sounds really nice and crystal clear for you guys here. You could also do the same here. I think the default is the 48,000 hertz, but if you could also go into the, let me show you that here, a few screenshots. You could see on the Zoom recorder, when you first connect it here, it asks you the frequency. If you just want to set it to 48,000 and not even worry about changing the settings on your Mac, then you can also do it that way as well. So I hope you found that tip really useful. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to email me at ajeromp@sfasu.edu. And good luck with your online teaching. Bye.